gonna leave a parking lot with a turn. Punch the fucking thing with these. We have this Blazer here. A different company did this car. They put wheels on it. They put the incorrect lug nuts on it. What happened is the wheels came off. It happened with us here actually. Came off and the car was basically sitting on the suspension, which is crazy. Taking off everything right now, we're gonna do it the proper way. We're gonna change the lug nuts and the studs because the studs are damaged because the lug nuts are wrong. So that's what we're doing right now. It's not only about putting wheels on, but you gotta put the proper lug nuts on because this is what happens. And plus, the wheel fitment is also wrong too. So, but we're gonna make it better.
Did you explain what's happening? We are doing another wide-body URUS.
I do another wide-body URUS.
This is a 2022 model. It's not the S or the Performante, so it's the old kit.
That's the old kit, but some parts is different ones. We use different parts from these body kits.
I think every week your brain changes and you think the body kit's different, but it's the same body kit.
Same body kit, but little difference, modifications.
No.
Yeah.
No.
This one is not different parts.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Before we reused the cover.
Definitely not. Okay, whatever. Are the flares done?
Yeah.
So the flares are primered. He did all his extra work to make it fit right because he doesn't like any gaps.
Beautiful.
Does your nail even fit in there? Not really.
Not really.
Nothing fits between the flare and the car, so that's the way to
Not
do
anymore.
it. He's gonna put the rear bumper on soon. He's modifying the reinforced bar on the back a little bit. Still gonna be safe. Don't worry about it. But that's gonna go on. We have some really crazy wheels coming. You guys might see this next week done, but I'm not sure if the wheels will make it. It's we're gonna paint it black and then we're gonna do a matte clear bra on it. Okay, so please hurry up.
That's not me. It's them over there.
So this is what happens when you get a wash from the dealer. They don't even wash the rims, right? See, this is why you call it detoner, right, Moses? That's why you call it detoner. They didn't wash the wheels, right? Like, this is why you call it a more detailed person instead of just taking it to a Range Rover dealer, right? I have no idea what the fuck you guys are talking about, but yeah.
Yeah, I have to cut this. This one is still touching on the bumper, so I can cut it over here. It's still safe because the reinforcement is like this, you know. But I had no choice because it's still touching on the bumper, so I have to grind off.
Do you always have to do that?
No.
Oh, really?
No, not just in this one. They do this one like more curve on the bottom. You see this one's over here? They do more bigger, but to be bigger, they do the bumper a little more curve on the bottom. So that's why. So the curve touching now on the bumper. The other ones doesn't touch. Right?
Hey, yours is ugly without body kit. No, for real. Or we got used to it, maybe?
I wanna quit.
Is this better now?
Yeah, look.
I give you toothpicks. You promise me you're not gonna hurt me?
I have toothpicks.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, you think I don't have toothpicks? Are you stupid? I have a little toothpick shooting gun, and they stole my toothpicks, thinking I don't have more toothpicks. So yeah, just a brief update on this. Went to the dealer, came back, first time ever. Okay, the camera stopped working on it, and it was a software update issue. So that's the only problem I've had with this car so far. Before the Range Rover guys jump on it and say this car is not reliable, it blows up or whatever. I love this car right now. It's one of my favorite cars. I've taken it on many road trips. It is the best SUV, especially family SUV, luxury that you could get right now. I know there's the Cullinan, but this thing is so versatile, and the Cullinan, you're just scared to park it. It's huge, whatever. So this is a long wheelbase V8. A lot of people ask me what model it is. It's not the autobiography. At the time I got this, it was impossible to find Range Rovers. So I went with the black on black, and we added the 1016 Industries Widebody kit. This was actually the first one in the world. And as you can see, it has been wrapped in satin pearl white. It's been about 4 or 5 months now like this. It looks incredible. It has the RDB 2.0 wheels on it. As you can see, it has the double flange. And believe it or not, these wheels came brushed, and we decided to go and paint them the same color as the wrap. It was an emergency job. We did that in a couple hours, put it on the car. I mean, this body kit is so clean, and it's installed without removing anything on the car. You don't have to remove the bumpers, fenders, whatever. The only thing you have to remove is the rocker panels to put the new ones on. It is a very affordable kit because it's not carbon fiber and it doesn't come with bumpers, all of that stuff. We maxed out the fitment on this car. There's no other Range Rover on this planet that sits like this and is drivable. This is on low mode, of course, but even on the high mode, regular mode, it is lowered. The wheels sit perfectly flush with the fenders. When you see this car from behind, it's crazy. And that's what I like to do on our builds. Whenever somebody's driving behind you, they see the car, they're like, oh man, that's a wide body car. It's not the wheels sticking inside. The tires are not super thin 30s. A lot of people with 30s, these are 35 series tires, and it drives like this. So, same thing with my URUS. When you see it from behind, a lot of people have seen me driving around. It looks so wide. It doesn't look like any other modified car out there. Same thing with the Range Rover. This thing in person is unreal looking. It looks like a UFO. That's how cool it looks, especially with that rear tail light that this car has. So, thanks.
He's being like you were wearing, except they're not $6,000 jeans, but these are $300 jeans. Wearing to work.
How much?
$300.
$300 jeans?
Yeah. You know how you wear Chrome Horse jeans to work? He wants to be like Daddy and
Wear want to be like that?
Yeah.
Is that
Look at
bars on them? What is it?
Represent.
Wow, he knows about Represent now?
Today, I learned today.
They're too big for me now. I don't.
Yeah.
I used to wear Represent like 7 years ago.
And he upgraded.
He was already on the train.
And his zipper's always down, so I don't know what he's doing.
He's smiling about with that small
Hey,
ass hat.
what do you mean it's?
Dude, how is it so tiny?
It's 7.5. That's the.
Yeah, it's for 7-year-olds.
That's a normal head size from people in America. It's 7.5. Oh no, he has good hair right now. I don't know if his hair. It looks good from the front, and then you look at the back, and it's all fucked up. Looks like Michael Jackson's hair.
Second wheels I like it. Yeah.
What are you gonna be for Halloween?
Nothing this time. We're not gonna do nothing.
Really?
Why? Nobody wants. Los chicos no quieren.
Oh, I know why. It's because they offer them money whoever wins,
So they canceled
and
it.
they never get nothing. So the show is canceled for this year.
Yeah, the show's canceled because there's a prize.
Yeah, the price.
Is that your costume?
Where's my Twix, bitch?
We're getting kicked out right now by security. We went to Horror Nights, Moses' favorite event of his lifetime. I noticed Hank kind of like wobbling around a little bit and doesn't know which way to walk. And once again, security guards outside. This time, there was literally probably 8 of them. And we got kicked out of Horror Nights, and it ruined Moses' whole night.
Yeah. Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha!